Ready to turn any song into your own karaoke track? You can! With AI vocal removal, you can remove vocals in real time and take the spotlight. You can use the EasySing Mics to adjust your setting while singing. Make sure that your microphone is fully charged and your JBL PartyBox speaker is compatible and updated to the latest software. Power on the microphone on the bottom. Plug the USB-C dongle into your speaker. If needed, use the included USB adapter. You can adjust how much of the original vocals you want to hear. 0% for a clean backing track, 25% for a light guide, 50% for stronger support, or 100% to keep the original song. You can also control these and more features, such as adjusting vocal settings and EQ settings in the JBL One app of your PartyBox. With the EasySing Mic MIni and EasySing Mic MIni Duo, you can also connect your microphone to your portable speaker. Just plug the USB-C dongle into your speaker and listen to your own music. Press the AI vocal removal button to adjust the vocal track levels. Press once for a clean backing track, once more for a light guide, another time for stronger support, and once more to keep the original song. Control these and more features, such as adjusting the mic EQ settings, presets, bass, treble, and echo levels in the JBL One app of your PartyBox. Listening to music on your PartyBox? Some PartyBoxes have a built-in AI vocal removal feature. Press the AI vocal removal button on the top of your PartyBox to turn the effect on or off. Want to fine-tune it? Just twist the dial on the PartyBox to adjust how much of the vocals you want to remove. It works instantly and with any song, so you can create your own karaoke vibe wherever you are. Now hit play, grab the mic, and make any song a karaoke moment with the AI vocal removal feature.